Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Myself UG and you are watching UG the Sept. Today in this video, I will tell you about how to create more than one PR at a particular time. As I saw, many GitHub beginners can't create more than one PR at a particular time. They find difficulty while creating it. So if you want more videos such like this, please subscribe the channel. Let's move forward. So first of all, let me create a commit in a new branch to show you the forward steps. As you can see, I have created a commit in a new branch named UG. Let me move forward. So here's comes the main steps. First of all, what have we have to do? We have to write git fetch double dash all. There is a typo mistake. Let me fix it. Git fetch double dash all. What will it do? It will fetch all the origins and upstream data to your local repo. The main issue came between creating new commit in another branch is that it merged all the previous commit you have done. So this is because our local repo contains both the previous and the new file changed. To stop the merging of the previous commit, we will reset local repo to the master branch or the last PR merged in the remote repo. So write git reset double dash hard origin slash master. I have did a typo mistake, let me fix it again. Git reset double slash hard origin slash master. So what happened is that the head has been set to the last merged PR. Now add it and write a commit message. And create a new branch. Now active that branch as the current branch and push the data. Yeah, so let me show you the result. As you can see, only one file has been changed with the previous PR. Previous commit has not been merged in this, and you can see the second commit in there. This commit has not been merged, means that you can create more PR like this, means commit, and it will surely work with you. So if this video is helpful for you and informative, so please subscribe the channel and also hit a like and share to those who need. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.